Intelligence and Success Part 2. In the first part of this video, we talked about the characteristics of intelligent people. They are open-minded, creative, empathetic, and adaptable, just to name a few. Another trait that intelligent people possess is problem-solving skills. They are able to identify the root cause of a problem and develop effective solutions. Intelligent people are also resilient. They are able to bounce back from setbacks and remain optimistic. Ethics is another important characteristic of intelligent people. They have a strong sense of moral values and are able to make decisions that align with those values. Intelligent people are also highly organized. They keep their workspaces and schedules in order, which allows them to be more productive and efficient. Multitasking is another skill that intelligent people possess. They are able to juggle multiple tasks and priorities without sacrificing quality or attention to detail. Intelligent people are often natural leaders. They are able to inspire and motivate others, and are skilled at delegating tasks and responsibilities. Good self-control is another characteristic of intelligent people. They are able to manage their impulses and emotions, which allows them to make rational decisions. Intelligent people often have a positive attitude and outlook on life. They are able to maintain a sense of optimism and hope, even in difficult times. Intelligent people often have a long attention span, which allows them to focus on complex tasks for extended periods of time. Resourcefulness is another trait that intelligent people possess. They are able to find creative solutions to problems and think outside the box. Intelligent people often take initiative and are proactive in their approach to work and life. They are not afraid to take risks and pursue their goals. Self-awareness is also an important characteristic of intelligent people. They understand their own strengths and weaknesses, and work to improve themselves. Intelligent people often have a high level of patience. They are able to wait for the right opportunity and are not easily frustrated by setbacks or delays. Cultural awareness is another trait that intelligent people possess. They have a broad understanding of different cultures and perspectives. Decisiveness is another characteristic of intelligent people. They are able to evaluate information and make informed choices. Despite their intelligence, intelligent people often have a humble attitude and are willing to learn from others. In conclusion, being intelligent is not just about having a high IQ or academic achievement. It involves a combination of various traits and qualities that allow individuals to thrive in different areas of their lives. Open-mindedness, self-discipline, creativity, attention to detail, adaptability, empathy, perseverance, intuition, interpersonal skills, problem-solving, resilience, ethics, organization, multitasking, leadership, self-control, positive attitude, attention span, resourcefulness, initiative, self-awareness, patience, cultural awareness, decision-making, humility, and confidence are all key attributes of intelligent people. By cultivating these qualities, we can all work towards becoming more intelligent, successful, and fulfilled individuals. Thank you for watching.